guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Notary educators. There we go. Got to get the optics right. How's it going out there? Got to get myself ready. Kimmy is here, #1 notary educator. For those who may be new with us, what I do is I teach notaries nationwide to know how to properly do your notarial duties, which will in turn into money. A lot of times we want to talk about the money, but we don't know how to do the work. Okay? We don't know how to do the work. So while YouTube is letting you know I'm live, I'm getting myself ready to get out of here. Welcome, welcome. Hold on, I'll be right back. Right back. Hey guys, welcome. We are live. I'm getting myself ready to get out of here. Just came on to chit chat a little bit about the mentorship program because I'm getting a lot of questions about the $27. People they just really in shock that we're offering the $27 program. Oops, that was some ice. Let me pick it up. So I wanted to shed a little light on why I decided to do the $27 program, because people are like, is it really real? Is it really real? It's real, and the courses are the real courses. It's not just some watered down something I put together. Now, I only want you signing up, if you're really serious about your business, right? Because you can watch a course or two, but where the real transformation happens, the real benefit comes from doing your business and coming to the meetings. The live sessions, they're included in the mentorship. The live sessions are included, and I'm so pleased to announce that because at first people were like, well, is it a separate, like a little whack meeting for the $27 people, and then the $47 get the real meetings? Hey, Abdul, good afternoon. No. Hey, Victoria, how are you? I want y'all to see my little smiley face. Yeah, so no, it's not a watered down version. The courses are real. It's not a watered down version of the courses. The membership, when you come to the meetings, it's the same meeting that the $47 people pay. We're all in the same. I don't like my lighting keep changing. Hold on, let's see, can we do something about that? Yeah, it's the same program. So we meet together every week. We've been meeting together for almost 3 years. It's different groups. But what we talk about at the meetings, and there are a lot of sneak peeks out there. We got a really nice one coming soon with all of the wins, because our people are doing some amazing things. Again, they like to walk in silence. Abdul is in the group, so she can testify. People are getting signings. People all the time, on the internet, it's like, well, don't become a signing agent. It's too late. And it's interesting when I hear other YouTubers tell people that, don't waste your time and don't do this, because they're still doing the business. I'm still doing the business. So why would I tell you not to? I might get a little bit more light in here. Hold on. So why would I tell you not to do the business? Does that make sense? And I hear it a lot. And I don't understand that. Someone's showing you, yeah, there we go. We got a little bit more light. Someone's telling you, well, hey, I had 100 signings this month, 200, but yet it's no room for you to do the business. So that's where I disagree. Signings are happening all day long, My phone is getting alerts. Do I accept all of them? No. Hey, Lisa. S. Abdul says, busy. Everybody doing something. Yes, and they are in our group. Thank you for sharing that too. I appreciate it. So people are working on their business Google pages. Some people just getting their notary signing agent certifications. Others are just doing their first refi. I mean, literally, people are doing their thing. So I'm so proud of our group. And you too can have the same successes. It's not that we are doing anything special, but we're doing the work. They're doing the work. That's why they often say, well, Kimmi, thank you for the program. No, I thank you for actually following the program. If you do the program works, okay? There's no doubt about it. You too can be successful. You can learn how to properly notarize a document without being afraid. And I know that's the main reason. A lot of you, I said, every time I go live, you have your commission, you have your stamps, you have your paper, your toner, your scanners, you got all the things, but you still don't know what to do. You've invested in training. You bought other people's training. It didn't go the way you thought it was going to go. You know, too many modules. You know, and I understand that because I'm not a studier like that. I don't mind studying. Clearly, I like learning, right? But because I'm an educator, right? So I love learning. I love teaching. But I don't want to do 200 modules when you could have just told me in one 30-second module. I do not like how my light keeps changing. Ugh, I think the camera's trying to adjust or something. It's driving me crazy. Let me see. Can I just move here? Because that is driving me insane. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna move my selfie stick up. Okay, let's do like that for a minute. That's cool. That's good. So anyway, yeah, so I don't like when people tell you that it's too late for you. And it's not too late. And your market is not oversaturated. That's the other thing I hear a lot. Well, it's too late. When I Google people in my area, when I Google notary in my area, it's already oversaturated. I missed the deadline. I missed the opportunity. How many hamburger places are still popping up after McDonald's? How many? How many restaurants are still popping up serving hamburgers at that now? Since McDonald's and Burger King, because McDonald's was number one. Since McDonald's and Burger King and White Castles, if you know, you know. Since they came on the market, how many more hamburger places have popped up? Let's do it. And this is, I'm going off the top of my head. You may think of some more. We got In-N-Out. We have Whataburger, Five Guys, right? A lot of mom and pop hamburger places. Chili's is now on the map for their hamburgers. If you have not tried a hamburger from Chili's, if you eat beef, that thing is slamming. It's $9, I think. You get a whole 3-course meal for $10. But my point is, so what if you Google notary and 20 pop up? 19 of them are not working, and the one that is working may not even know what they're doing. They're messing up documents, so then they have to call another pro in the area to come and do it. Okay? So I don't want you to feel like it's too late for you. A lot of it's up here in our own mind. There's plenty of room for you. How many chicken places? KFC is the original top dog, right? You would think, oh, we don't need no more chicken places. We got enough chicken places, right? Wrong. We have Dave's Hot Chicken. If you've not tried that, clearly your girl be tasting some fast food. But Dave's Hot Chicken, right? It's a new one that I just found out recently. It's called Magoo's. If it's not in your area, it's coming. It's coming soon. I like their chicken too at Magoo's. And then what's that other one? Raising Cane. All those are new within the last 5-10 years, okay? So there's plenty of room for you. And you're going to stand out from everybody because you're going to know how to properly notarize. Like a what? We're going to notarize like a pro. My phone is blowing up because I'm live and I cannot answer all these people.